I know it's 79, boy. Get in. I see the box. That motherfucker ride. I ain't gonna lie. That boy got that thing ride, boy. It be a lot more than y'all be thinking, bro, with the old school, bro. Every build I do, bro, we touching everything, bro. You feel me? If I don't get to it now, I'm gonna get to it later. Everything getting changed, bro. We playing no game, man. Maddmarkscars, man.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh, man. Okay. All right.
Box. What's up? Hey, I can get on the gas again now, boy. Yes, sir. I'm getting jacked up. I'm getting jacked up in the air. I'm still in there, guy. And it's still running. I'm trying to fit the exhaust, man. They just riding like hell. It just feels so weird, y'all. Hey, I'm up there in the sky. But they just feel so weird. I don't like heights, bro. You got me a little too high, my boy. Hey, man, I'm in the sky for real. Yeah, I'm up here for real. Yes, sir. So when they like that box Chevy footage, man, I gotta bring on that box Chevy footage. You feel me? Y'all see that thing back. No more oil leak. Ain't no more oil leaks. You did. That's taken care of. It was just the valve. It was just the gases on the valve covers. It was just leaking oil. Y'all see, this is no longer rubber. That one of steel line. You know what I'm saying? My man said that when the rubber lines like that and they be old, they be collapsing. It'll cause your car to cut off and all that stuff. So I got that replaced. Got that taken care of. Got another filter put on here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Another hose. You know what I'm saying? I already replaced that hose. I know this 79. Oh, I thought I had the key in there. Key ain't even in there. I know this 79, boy. Get in. Yeah. 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 They got here ski. Yeah. Probably about how people gas anything. Real. Can't burn so much gas. Why don't make no sense, boy? That thing burn gas, boy. I gotta put a gas cap on it. Ain't got no gas cap. But yeah, man, y'all see this thing ride good and everything, bro. See, I can't even front like I ain't just happy or nothing, cause I am, bro. I ain't gonna lie, when I be driving that thing, it be putting a smile on my face. And it's still stuff I gotta do, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know, y'all been tuning into the channel, I been taking my time. Still stuff I gotta do. It ain't over with. You gotta get the brain blowed, headliner redone again, I gotta get the brain blowed. Window wiper motor, new brake booster. All that, that's little stuff I gotta do that I ain't done yet. New radiator, I ain't replaced the radiator yet. Gas tank, I ain't replaced the gas tank. Everything else pretty much been replaced though, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I say y'all been tuning into the channel, you'll see. You feel me? You'll see. You been tuned in, you'll see. You gotta tune in to see. Yeah, man, Maddmarkscars, man. More old school builds on the way. The only one to call away is said. I ain't gonna lie. Might end up, and my cousin KT sent me that cutlass back. I might do that, but I know he ain't pretty much gonna do that though. But Monte Carlo SS, and I watching Box Chevy P video. Box Chevy P was just saying, them G-body, you can buy everything for them G-body. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know them shop bed or OBS like I got. You can buy everything for them too. You feel me? You buy everything for them. So man, this Box Chevy went like that. can just buy everything for this car online, bro. This is 79, not an 80, bro. You cannot just buy everything for this car, bro. You cannot, bro. You had to, like that grill, but I couldn't find that grill over nowhere. And you do find it's messed all the way up to the point that you can't even use it, bro. Bro, this, bro, I'm telling y'all, bro. Like we was talking about this, one of these guys was saying, bro, you ain't even got the, he was saying, I ain't got this big gap back here with the back bumper. You know, ain't nobody having that piece, man. Ain't nobody having this piece, bro. Everybody having the gap back there. I'm not having that gap back there, man. But yeah, man, about shit, man. A lot of more stuff I need to take care of. You feel me? We're gonna take care of it. Keep the ball rolling. Late night with it. Going late night footage. Cut the brights on. Went late night footage. We went late night on them. Ooh, y'all see that shit bow tie glowing, boy. Man, that light right here tripping. Y'all see that light? Now, all these need to be playing. Like, look at this light, they doing that weird something too. They was brand new, bro. I gotta learn how to play those. They doing crazy something. They should be doing it. That's why I did. Look at it. They should be doing what they're doing. Now look at that. Like that whole box will be filled up. So like over here, look. That whole box filled up. I don't think. I'll probably just buy some more of them. Buy some more of those headlights. Like I said, I need this bottom light too. But ooh, one came late night with the box. You feel me? Late night with the box. Maddmarkscars with the box Chevy in the back. You did. Yeah. Maddmarkscars with the box Chevy in the back. Yeah, man, she had that thing winged out, y'all. I don't know what's going on. I'm a fool around, pop the hood and fool around with them, but man, I don't know what they about. Probably just old, bro. I had no lights. I had these lights way before the car was done, just sitting. They was sitting in the car. Way before the car got done, I been had these lights. That thing tripping, boy. Look how it flickering like that. Yeah, man, I'm how to play those. Thing going out, bro. They should be doing that.